And then there you have it. It's spinach, cauliflower, mashed potatoes. We're going to just take all of the cauliflower and just dump it. I told y'all I'm a messy chef. And I'm gonna put half of a stick of Kerrygold butter, and I'm gonna put 1/8 of a cup of olive oil. Now I'm gonna add some spinach, and I just take it, and what will happen is, look how much spinach I'm putting in, but the spinach will actually wilt from the heat of the mashed potatoes since I'm making it hot. So you'll just let it sit, and it'll wilt and actually cook inside the mashed potatoes. And then I'm gonna add some, I'm not cooking this, fresh chives that I add. I like a lot of spinach, some people don't. Just add it to as much as you like. And then there you have it. It's spinach, cauliflower, mashed potatoes that are out of this world. And then you can top them with a few more chives.